Hello everyone, this is our outlook for this week. BTC closed strong last week, but I'm not really excited about it. Reason being, I wanted it to at least, get a little bit deeper into this fair value area here. So it will have at least taken a little bit of, even a 30% inside it. I would have been, really happy about that. But now that it just returned without even touching on it and not even touching the trend line as well, yeah, it's a little bit tricky for me. I'm not really thinking this is it. That was the bottom. It might be it, but um, I'm not strong on it. Ne? And but then again, if this trend continues and it goes above these, basically this will be now I don't think there's a reason to return there. There's no reason why it should be returning back into this area here at the moment. All liquidity that was there, I think, has been taken, and all that. So I don't think there's a reason why we must go back up here again. If it does, then obviously this was the last dip, but then if it doesn't, we might be seeing it just playing around in this area here for some time, and then maybe touch on the trend line finally, and then move up. For now, yes, the market is okay to trade. I've been scalping since the weekend, but I'm just not convinced about whether is BTC done with all the trade wars that are going on at the moment. I would have loved it if it did, come into this fair value area here. Then it would have made sense for me. But we'll see how it goes. The week really closed nicely and strong, and hopefully the trend continues. As we can see, so yeah, this was our last bull run top. So we haven't gone that far from it, so we are still to pump up. So for me, I would have loved it to do this, touch on the trend line, and what we might be seeing is 130 around. A lot of people are predicting 130 from the current levels that BTC is at. So yeah, but then again, confirmation needs to come through, because obviously it needs to go way above this for us to know that the bulls have returned, and obviously the dip has deepened enough and we can finally move up. But yeah, basically the market is okay to trade at the moment. Obviously not long-term holding. I'm meaning now, yeah, you can also do spot trading, you can also do futures, but then again, as you can see, like I was saying, I needed that dip to go deep enough in this area here. As you can see on the daytime frame, we are still in the bear trend, so we are basically still selling. We don't have any confirmation yet of bulls coming into the market, so we are still selling on the lower time frames, although the weekly closed really nice. Then we have this trend. Obviously that trend will define for us whether we are now have gone deep enough, or are we coming back, because we saw a double bottom here and we're just hoping this trend continues to the upside. If not, then obviously to come back all the way to come and touch the trend line. So we'll be coming back into this, area here to grab some more liquidity, and then hopefully we are done. But yeah, we'll keep holding. So basically, lower time frames, nothing is confirmed yet. Weekly is showing bullish. Also daily is obviously an uptrend. 4/8 is an uptrend at the moment. But yeah, we need a confirmation on the daily time frame that we have broken to the upside. And that is not yet confirmed, because if you go back to the daily time frame, you are basically in a downtrend still. So yeah, that is it for BTC. And obviously, as you know, BTC has a lot of effect on the altcoins, and obviously it's also defining whether the market is good enough for basically going in for trading, whether it's spot trading or futures if you are more experienced. But as you can see, yeah, this is not confirmed yet, so you can be basically trading those impulses, all that. But yeah, it's just an in and out, a scalping strategy, but nothing is confirmed for an uptrend yet.